Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. Last time we went through a little bit on the logging framework in VA Smalltalk. Today we're going to go through a little more. What we did last time was just add a default warning to the INI file and had it do it to a file. And we're just using the root level logger. We're not defining anything more exciting than that. What we're going to do today is create a new appender, which is not a new logger per se. There's still going to be one logger in the system, the root level logger, but we're going to add an additional thing to it. So in addition to logging out to file, which it's already doing based on the INI file, and just to show you that again, we'll open this up. And in the INI file here, we'll scroll down and we've defined a bunch of settings down here for the file appender. Now it turns out that if you look at these and you look at the code that is used by the system, you can parse out how to add your own additional appenders. What I'm doing here is I'm getting the log manager named root, and I'm going to create a new level called all, so it's going to log everything. I'm going to get the pattern, same one I used in the file, and then I'm going to create a transcript appender, and there's one here, level, the level I created in the layout, this pattern up here. And then I'm going to add that appender to the root level logger. What will happen when I do all of this is that in addition to logging to the file, we will log out to the transcript. So let's go ahead and add that information there, execute. And now what we'll do is we'll execute this. And if you look up here, you see here we go. But in addition to logging out to the transcript like we did here, if I open up the log file, let's go ahead and take a look at that. And I've cleaned this up since last time, so it's going to be empty, other than this one warning here. So we're getting the same information going to the transcript up here that we have going out to the file over here. So again, that's because we're using the same logger. We're just having to go two different places, and that's as many appenders as you'd like to define. So I could define another file appender. I can do a whole bunch of things, and what we'll get into at some point is adding additional loggers if we want to separate out that way. But that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.